Reggae Girlz head coach Hubert Busby was a satisfied man after watching his team play out a spirited 0-0 draw over their CONCACAF neighbours Costa Rica in a friendly international on Sunday in Florida in the United States. The Reggae Girlz defeated La Tricolore 1-0 in the practice match at the same venue on Thursday. Karen Madden reports.
Unlike Thursday's game, which was played behind the closed doors, fans were allowed into the Drive Pink Stadium in Fort Lauderdale to watch the two CONCACAF nations who are fine-tuning their preparations ahead of the World Cup qualifiers, which begin next February. Manchester City forward Khadija Bunny Shaw captained the Reggae Girlz after regular skipper Konya Plummer was ruled out by travel logistics. The Costa Ricans were in early trouble when midfielder Catherine Alvarado was shown a straight red card for a reckless tackle on Kayla McCoy. Shaw took the resulting free kick, but the Jamaicans failed to make it count. The Reggae Girlz dominated the game with 67% of the possession, and though they raided the Costa Rican defense at regular intervals, they could not break the deadlock. Despite 19 shots on goal to the Costa Ricans 3, it was 0-0 after 90 minutes. But head coach Hubert Busby was satisfied with what he saw.
Overall, I'm extremely pleased with the performance. Obviously not the result we wanted per se, but in terms of our playing principles, in terms of the things that we've been working on, I can't ask for any more from the group. The team, they did very well. Unfortunately, we just didn't put the ball in the net when it counted, and sometimes that's just football. But we executed well. We played through the lines. We possessed the ball. We're patient in moments where we sometimes could have, or it was easy to hurry it up. So very proud of the way that they managed the game.
The next FIFA window is in November, and Busby is hoping to assemble a camp in Jamaica.
The plan now is to have discussions with the Federation about having a camp in Jamaica. That's our preference during the next window, November 22nd to 30th. We'd love to be able to bring this team back to Jamaica. We haven't been back into Jamaica as a team since 2018, December 2018, before we left to go to the World Cup. And so we want to be back in Jamaica. I'm sure the people of Jamaica want to see the girls.
The CONCACAF Women's World Cup qualifiers will kick off on February 16, 2022, with Jamaica drawn in Group C along with Bermuda, the Cayman Islands, the Dominican Republic, and Grenada. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.